Anusuya's farm with 5 cows produces more milk than any other farm in her village. The farm is thriving. But during winter, 3 cows stop producing milk while being pregnant. Anusuya's income for the next 4 months is reduced by 1/3. Anusuya is unable to manage her daily expenses and the needs of her 2 children. She is stressed, unaware of how to increase the milk quantity. In desperation, she wrongly reduces the feed of each pregnant cow by half to cut costs. This only accelerates the decline of her farm. Just then, a nutritional expert from Arohana shows her an innovative method by adding urea onto the paddy straw to enrich its nutritional value. By adding this fertilizer over time, milk yields are increased. For the cost of 3 cents more per day, Anusuya increases her profit to over 50 cents extra per day. For Anusuya, who's living on $1 a day, this makes a big impact. Arulmani from Palyapati village is a mother of 2. She lives with her husband, in-laws, and children. Her husband is a launderer who presses clothes for a living. Her in-laws undergo medical treatment and her children have educational needs. Their expenses clearly outmatches their income. That's when Arohana comes to her aid. Arulmani gets a cow through a loan and is now meeting 40% of her household expenses. The income from the husband's pressing of clothes has now turned profitable. Arulmani is now happy that she is fulfilling her ambition to educate her children in an English medium school without any compromises. She is able to meet her family's expenses through her own efforts. In a tragic accident, 40-year-old Ayyamma lost her husband and had no income to support her 2 children. Living in a thatched hut with no basic amenities, the future looked grim. With no land for farming or cattle, she worked at a textile industry for long hours at meager wages. She was beginning to lose hope. And then, Arohana opened a milk collection center in her village. From her savings, she bought a cow and got more cows through loans arranged by Arohana. She started pouring 9 liters of milk every day. She then started repaying her debt and is now providing an education for her children thanks to Arohana. As a mother struggling to provide good education to her 3 children, Chitra from Palyapati village also has an added burden of an alcoholic husband. Her husband is a daily wage earner and is hardly able to make both ends meet, with his income being under $3 a day. The family not only has to deal with the father's alcoholism, but has loans from loan sharks. Their expenses did not meet their income. Arohana stepped into her life and she was able to get a second cow through a loan. This helped her double her income. At a very nominal fee, her pregnant cow received professional medical assistance, which took some weight off her shoulders. A professional vet from Arohana examines and treats the cow. Now Chitra is excited about Arohana's artificial insemination service that promises a better quality calf. Having lost her husband to a kidney failure, Gomati is a widowed mother of 3. The medical expenses left her in debt with no assets but her cow. She sold milk from her cow in the neighborhood, but collecting the money was a tedious task. She often had to convert unsold milk to buttermilk to be able to sell it. Then she enrolled as Arohana's milk pouring member. She availed of all the services of Arohana. The medical support provided by Arohana has kept her cow healthy and has stabilized her income. The regular veterinary camps and medical services for a nominal fee has significantly improved the health of the cattle in her village. With her healthy cow, she now has walked half the mile in repaying her loans and is now investing in her children's education. Mahamai, a typical small dairy farmer, was happily married and has one daughter. After her husband's demise, she had no assets or income. She was forced to send away her daughter to her relatives as she was not able to meet the educational expenses. During this period of loneliness, her aged mother gave her a cow. Selling milk door to door was stressful for her as it would take her the whole day. But since Arohana's milk collection center opened, she's been able to supplement her income by working as a daily wage laborer as well. Her daughter is now getting a college education and Mahamai has the ability to provide for her aged mother too. Pratibha, mother of two from Saveriyarpatti village, is bound by debts. Her husband's meager income as a driver is just enough for their survival. She notices a long line of women standing and pouring milk at Arohana's milk collection center. That's when she found the solution to her problems. Pratibha's monthly expenses for her children's education, medical expenses and food is over $100 a month. That's excluding her loans. Pratibha bought her first cow through the loan facilitated by Arohana. She quickly learns the art of milking and tending to her cows. Pratibha, as a milk pouring member of Arohana, is able to save after paying her expenses and repaying her loans. Radhika from Kallupatti village made her income by selling milk to the local tea stalls of her village. Although she was selling nearly 16 liters of milk a day, her income was insufficient. The milk was sold at low prices and payments were irregular. This made her situation grim as she could not meet her loan repayment obligations, which meant paying penalties too. At this juncture, Arohana's milk collection center was established in her village. She gained from the services provided, from the maintenance of her cattle, transportation of cattle feed and fodder, to building a brand new community milking shed on her very own land. With these support systems, her life became easier and her farm became cost efficient. After the intervention of Arohana, she was able to repay her loans on time and make small savings for her family too. Saveriyarpatti is a village that has been selling their milk to a milk vendor for a low price, as the villagers themselves were not trained in milking their cows. Valarmati had heard about Arohana setting up a collection center in the neighboring village. She spoke to her fellow villagers about doing the same in their village. Unwilling to embrace change, they refused. With the sole motive to enhance the livelihood of her fellow villagers, she pledged her jewels and bought 2 cows for her neighbors. Thanks to her efforts, Arohana opened a milk collection center in her village in January 2011. For the first 6 months, she and her neighbors were the only milk pouring members, but she tirelessly campaigned in her village to gather more members. Seeing her progress and dedication, the villagers volunteered to shift to Arohana. A year after the center opened, Arohana arranged loans for all the milk pouring members. Valarmati's vision of helping her fellow villagers has now come true with the support of Arohana.